Are you interested in earning this kind of income? All you have to do is download Buyman. Go to your Play Store and download Buyman. This is the app Buyman. This particular one up. This one and then this arrow is pointing. Just download Buyman. And after you download Buyman, tap on it and open it. Once you are done opening it, for the sake of this video, I'm not going to make it to be long. So I will just show you some tactics you need and some ideas you need for you to earn on this particular app. You just have to earn while playing game. There is no more stressful. You just have to earn while playing game. There are a lot, and this particular one is very legit. There's no issue. There's nothing like they will hold your payment or they will not pay you. So all you have to do is tap on start game. Just tap on this start game and you have to play the game, and you have to play the game and earn. I will also be dropping the link in the description. But when you tap on play game, I'm not going to play game here, but all you have to do is tap on play and play the game there. And here you can see some other tasks you can do for you to earn here. You can also do this type of task, and there you go, you can get more money from there. So, and you can also earn by inviting your friends. You can earn by inviting your friends too. If you for invite is not compulsory. It's not compulsory. These are also tasks that you can do just for you to also earn here. These are tasks you can do. And sorry, I just go back to task. Sorry, I went back to the other task for agent level. So in order for you to withdraw, the withdrawal for this app is using PayPal. If you don't have a PayPal account, I can help you on how to create it. All you have to do is comment it on the comment section if you really need it. I can do a video about it, how you can open your PayPal account, verify PayPal account, UK account that can accept payment. Here is your withdrawal method, which is PayPal, like I said before, and their minimum withdrawal is $15.07. So from here you can earn from here. At least when you want to withdraw, it's not that hard. All you have to do is put your PayPal email, your name, and you are good to go. If you don't have a PayPal, like I said before, you just indicate in the comment section, and I'll make a video on how you can create your verified PayPal account working perfectly. So for this one, invite ID, you can earn 1,500 for that one. I'll be dropping the link and the invite ID in the channel description, in this particular video description. Here you can claim daily bonuses that they give you. Then I also have one other app that you can earn while playing game. The name of that one is, let's locate it. Here you go. The name of that one is Luckyunscrew. Luckyunscrew. I will also be writing it on this screen. Yes, Luckyunscrew. When you have downloaded the app from your Play Store, tap on it and open it. Here is the interface of the Luckyunscrew app, and all you have to do is just to press on start, and you play the games that you will see there. The games is just like collecting items, collecting what that look like the other one and what that resembles the other one, or the same thing with the other one. So that is how we can play. And here is your balance. From here you can withdraw. Here is your balance. We have like two types of balance here. So next thing you are going to do, okay, you can see here the activities and tasks that I have given you, and when you want to withdraw, you can just press on the top the first one, and you press on withdraw. Their minimum withdrawal is $10. So it's not that, as far as you can as far as you are consistent in playing the game, you can earn this your income. You can earn your income without stressing yourself much. In this one, you can also invite your friends and also earn on this particular one. You can invite and earn, but invitation is not compulsory. Like referral. Okay, here are the tactics on how you can earn very well on this platform. All you need is consistency. Keep playing it. Give it like 2 to 3 hours a day, and you will be earning very well on it. So I will also be sharing some of the screenshots of my earnings from here. Thank you. Please don't forget to share this video, subscribe and like. Whatever you need in the comment section, just indicate it. Thank you.